Welcome to Gr8Books. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through how to manage your accounting processes using Gr8Books Accounting Software. Whether it's cash disbursements, sales, or reports, we've got you covered. Let's get started. This is our sign-in page. Enter your information, then log in. Welcome to your dashboard. Here you can see your company's sales, gross margin, accounts payable, accounts receivable, profit and loss, expenses, and project budget. Now let's get started by clicking the Get Started button. First up is the company setup. Here you can set up the information about your company: name, classification, industry, logo, and more. Second, upload your chart of accounts, or COA. We have templates here that can help you with your upload. Once done, you can now move on to number 3. This is where you upload your employee information. And again, we have some templates that can help you with this step. Next, upload your vendor information. Templates are also available. Then next, upload your customer information, which again, templates are also available. And lastly, add the banks that you use. Once done, click Finish, and it will take you back to the dashboard. Billing statement. First, go to the Sales tab and select Billing Statement and create a new transaction. Select the client, description of services, and default accounts. Fill all necessary fields and click Add Items for new additional services. Click Save and then Preview to view BS report. Billing statement to official receipt, acknowledgement receipt, provisional receipt, and collection receipt. Click on the Cash Receipts tab and choose any collection type. For this example, we will be using acknowledgement report. New transaction, and then copy from billing statement. Select from the tab and check transaction that you want to copy from AR. Click Choose to reflect details of transactions to AR. Choose the payment type and deposit details. Auto entry for credit account, and then click Save and Preview to see reports. Next, let's move to Sales. Click on the Sales tab and select Sales Journal. Click New to create a new sales transaction. Select the client from the VCE dropdown. Select Terms and adjust due date. Adjust the payment terms, fill in all the necessary details, and click Add Entry if more rows are required. Click Save, and now you can preview the report. Sales Journal to official receipt, acknowledgement receipt, provisional receipt, and collection receipt. Click on the Cash Receipts tab and select any collection type. For this example, we will be using OR or official receipt. Create a new transaction and click Copy From and select Sales Journal. Select from the tab and check the transaction that you want to copy. Click Choose to reflect the details of transaction. Choose your payment type and deposit details. Click Auto Entry for credit accounts. Save and then preview your report. Purchase Journal. Click on the Purchasing tab, then select Purchase Journal. Click New for a new transaction. Fill in your details, add tax if needed, and click Auto Entry. Click Save. Now you can preview. Purchase Journal to Cash Disbursement. After Purchase Journal, go to the Cash Disbursement tab and select Cash Disbursement. Click New, then Copy From Purchase Journal. Fill in details and click Auto Entry. Hit Save, then you can now preview or download your file. Accounts Payable Voucher. Start by clicking on the Accounts Payable tab and select Accounts Payable Voucher. Then click New to create a new transaction. Search for the VCE name and select the correct credit account. Once all details are entered, click Auto Entry to automatically fill in the necessary fields, then hit Save. Finally, you can preview and print the check, voucher, or 2307 report. If you want to edit an existing voucher, click Search, find the transaction, and select Edit. Make your changes, then click Save. Now to cash disbursement. Click on the Cash Disbursement tab and click New for a new transaction. Click Copy From, then select Accounts Payable. Select Payment Type. Choose what bank you will use. Select Tax Computation if needed. Click Auto Entry, then Save. You can now preview your file as CV Check and TWI307 Report. For Cash Advance Liquidation, click on the Cash Disbursement tab and then select Cash Advance. Create a new transaction and fill all necessary fields. Once done, click Save, and now you can preview it as CA Report. To edit Cash Advance Liquidation, click Search and select the transaction you want to edit. Click Edit, then edit the fields you want to change. And then click Save to save changes, or click Close to undo changes. Now in the Cash Disbursement tab, select Cash Disbursement and create New Transaction. Click Copy From, select Cash Advance, and check the checkbox you want to disperse. Select Payment Type. And then click Auto Entry and save. Now, in the General Journal tab, select Journal Voucher and create a new transaction. Copy from, then Cash Advance Liquidation, and select the one you want to liquidate. Add entry, then input expense accounts and amount. Save. Now you can preview it as JV Report. For general journal entries, click the General Journal tab and select Journal Voucher. Click New to create a new journal entry. Fill in the required fields and click Add Entry for additional items. Once completed, click Save and Preview to view the report. Cash Advance Return. On the disbursement, again click on Cash Advance and add a new transaction. Fill all necessary fields, then click Save. Now you can preview it as CA report. To cash disbursement, create a new transaction. Click the Copy From button and select Cash Advance, then check the one you want to disperse. Then click Auto Entry, then Save. Click on the Journal tab, then Journal Voucher. Click New, then copy from Cash Advance Liquidation and check the box you want to liquidate. Add entry and input the expense accounts, making sure that the expense amount is not greater or equal to the original amount of CA. Save, and now you can preview as JV report. Next, click on the Cash Receipt tab and select Official Receipt. New Transaction, and then copy from Cash Advance Liquidation and check the one you want to collect. Then select the bank you want to deposit to. Auto Entry, then Save and Preview. Cash advance inadequate. Cash disbursement, then cash advance. Create a new transaction and fill all required fields. Save, then preview. Cash disbursement, new transaction. Copy from cash advance and check the checkbox that you want to disperse. Click Auto Entry and then Save. Go to Journal Voucher in the General Journal tab and create a new transaction. Copy from and select Cash Advance Liquidation and select the one you want to use. Click Add Entry and input the expense accounts and amount. Make sure that the expense amount is not greater than or equal to the original amount of CA. Save, then you can preview to view JV report. Go back to Cash Disbursement, New Transaction, and select Cash Advance Liquidation. And check the checkbox that you want to disperse, then click Auto Entry. Save, then you can now preview. Petty Cash Fund. For Petty Cash Fund, go to the Disbursement tab and select Petty Cash Fund. New Transaction, search VCE name and select Default Account. Fill in all necessary fields with corresponding details. Add entry to new rows and then save and preview to view. To edit it, just click Search and select the transaction you want to edit. Click Edit and change the fields you want to change. Then save, or click Close to undo any changes you have made. Petty Cash Replenishment Report. On the Disbursement tab, select Petty Cash Replenishment Report. New transaction, then copy from petty cash fund and check the checkbox you want to replenish. Check your details, and if good, click Save, then preview the transaction. Petty cash replenishment report to check voucher. Back to cash disbursement. New. Then copy from petty cash fund replenishment and check the checkbox you want to replenish. Auto entry for credit accounts, then hit Save and preview your report. Bank reconciliations. Click on the Cash Receipt tab and select Bank Reconciliation and create a new transaction. Choose your bank. Deposit and transit are the transactions from collections, and outstanding checks are from CVs or DVs, expenses. Once you clear a transaction, that means it has been recorded to your passbook. If all is cleared, that means your tally on the system and passbook are balanced. Change your bank balance to align with your passbook. If there is a variance, there is something non-listed and you should check. If there is no variance, then you can now go and save, then preview your report. Generating reports is simple with Gr8Books. Go to the Reports tab and select the type of report you need, such as transaction reports or financial reports. For transaction reports, select Registers Report, for example. Select Check Register.
Select report type and period type. Click Preview to view, and then you can export to Excel.
Financial reports. Click Financial Report on Reports tab. Select Reports and select Type of Report using the drop-down panel. Select Report and Period Type. Then hit Preview to view report. Then you can export to Excel. Book of Accounts. You can access Book of Accounts, Journals, BIR reports by clicking Reports from the sidebar. After you click the Book of Accounts from the sidebar, You now can start your transaction by clicking the Report drop-down. Select Type of Report, fill up all details needed, and then click Preview. You will have this preview on the right side, depending on the type of your selected report. Journals. After you click the Journals from the sidebar, you will see this page. You now can start your transaction by clicking the Report drop-down. Select Type of Report, fill up all details needed, and then click Preview. Accounts Receivable. Click on the Reports tab and select Accounts Receivable. Select Reports from the drop-down panel. Select Period Type, and then click Preview to view the report. Export to Excel. You will see the Filter tab after you will fill out the details. BIR Reports. Click on the Reports tab and select BIR Report. Select Reports from the drop-down panel and select the period type. Click Preview to view report, and afterwards you can now export to DAT or Excel. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, consult the manual book or contact us for more details. Like, share, and subscribe. This is Gr8Books Software Solutions, Inc. Stay inspired, never stop creating.